Hi, and welcome to day number 9 of our 21 baby steps to being organized or having an organized home with the Fly Lady system, SUZY'S style. So on day number 9, we are going to make our bed. Yes, you guys, let me tell you, before I started working on the Fly Lady system, I never used to make my bed, or I used to make it very ad hocly. But now I know that my bed makes up 80% of everything that is in my room. So when it is unmade, 80% of my room is undone. But when it is made, 80% of my room is looking nice and neat. So basically, the Fly Lady says you should make your room every morning. In fact, she says you should make your room the minute you get up. But personally, I prefer to air my bed as I'm showering. Then once I'm fully dressed and even dressed to shoes, once I'm dressed to shoes and ready for my day, then I come and make my bed. Now, remember to have bedspread that you love and that is easy to spread so that it doesn't take you forever to make your bed. You just shoo, and you're done. The more stuff you have on your bed, the longer it's going to take you to make your bed. And also, if you have kids, teach them how to make their own bed to make life easy and to make their room also look as nice and neat as yours. Our kids are between 7 and 3. And apart from the 3-year-old, the other 3 have now learned to make their bed, and it is always looking nice and neat. So we have done so much so far on these 21 baby steps. I hope you are enjoying it. If you're just joining us, you are never too late. Just jump in where you are, or you can go back and start from day number 1. And let me know in the comment section below how you are enjoying this. And first of all, before we go any further, let us make this bed. That literally took all of 2 minutes to make my bed look like this. And conversely, or whatever versely, it made my whole room look nice and neat. So I think it is also important, because as we said, your bed makes such a big percentage of your room, to make it nice and pretty. You know, look for pretty things, pretty pillows, pretty throws like these. Because when your bed is looking pretty, then your whole place just ends up looking nice and pretty. Yes, how many times have I said pretty? So that's it. Remember to get your checklist and tick. We are on day number 9. Make your bed. Give me a thumbs up if you are liking this content, and I will see you tomorrow on day number 10. Bye.